Here are 5 tips on encouraging a baby to talk. 1. Talk to your baby. Engage in conversations with your baby throughout the day. Even if they don't seem to be paying attention, describe what you're doing. Point out objects and animals, and use different tones of voice. 2. Respond to cooing and babbling. When your baby makes sounds, respond with similar sounds or words. This will help them learn that communication is a two-way process. 3. Read together. Reading books with your baby exposes them to new vocabulary and encourages them to associate words with objects and actions. For label objects and actions, point out objects and actions and say the corresponding words. For example, ball or drinking milk. 5. Give them time to respond. After asking a question or making a statement, give your baby time to respond. Pause and wait for them to babble or make a sound, then respond back. Remember, every baby develops at their own pace, so be patient and keep talking.